Would you like to create a mobile app for your e-commerce store? Use Choicely's Ecommerce App Template as a basis. Dozens of world-class apps with e-commerce stores have been made with Choicely. Let's check out what's in the template that you can customize as your own. On the home screen, we see some featured products and a banner for an ongoing sale. In the second section, your users can dig inside your shop. Here, you can easily embed your own e-commerce store just by adding the address of your web shop. Here in the third section, there are articles like Terms of Use or FAQ. You could also feature articles, videos, or social media content related to your products. You could engage your customers by asking their opinions through fun votes, rates, polls, or rankings. That's the e-commerce app template. Remember, Choicely platform has no limits, so you can add any content and features you want in your app. Try Choicely for free. You can build your app and test it on mobile devices before committing to anything.